the turret actually follow the enemies. And also, I'm gonna make the shooting next episode. This episode, we're gonna be making the turret point towards the enemy, not the body. Yeah, okay. Okay, so first in the enemy sprite, we'll create 3 new lists. The first list, enemy X for all sprites, enemy Y for all sprites, and enemy progress for all sprites. So add any one of the when I start as clones. Actually, this one, you add 0 to enemy progress, add 0 to the XY, enemy X, enemy Y. Oh no, actually one more list that I forgot. Enemy IDs for all sprites. And add the type. Wait. Oh no. We need another clone. Wait. For this sprite only. At the start of the game, we'll set it to 0. And we change it by 1 before we create the clone. Before. Then we put the add clone hash to enemy IDs. Now, in the define AI script, we'll replace item clone hash of enemy X. Wait, not here, but down here. With enemy X with the X position. Just this. And the enemy Y with the Y position. And the progress is not Y position, but yeah. Item clone hash of enemy progress plus, well, we're moving 1 step, so 1. Move this type, actually put this type here. You will edit the AI block, and instead of type, put walk speed. And the walk speed can be any number, I guess. Now we'll move steps by walk speed, and instead of +1, we'll plus the walk speed. Okay, got that? Now, the turret sprite. We'll create new variables for this sprite only. Called, what is it called? Can shoot. Another variable. Target enemy hash. another for the sprite only variable, enemy check hash, another for the sprite only variable, furthest enemy dist is for distance, another variable, enemy dist also for the sprite only, another variable for the sprite only, radius, and another for the sprite only variable, which is enemy check ID hash. Wait, enemy check hash ID. Okay, so when I start as clone, we'll set the view radius to 100. Now under here there'll be a forever loop because we're gonna be using more blocks, and we're gonna be making a new block called turret, aim, and shoot. Run without screen refresh. I'll put that in here. Now wait, is it run without screen refresh? Yeah, okay. Now we'll set the can shoot to no. Now, and we set the target enemy hash to none. We'll do the enemy check hash to 0, and the furthest enemy dist to -999. Now we'll put a repeat block. Repeat length of enemy IDs, and in the repeat loop we'll change the enemy check hash by 1, and we'll set the enemy check hash ID to item enemy check hash of IDs. And now we'll make a new block called distance to enemy, not enemy, it's enemy. It's so weird. Enemy X, enemy Y. Run without screen refresh. Now, at the define distance enemy, the new block that we did, we'll set the enemy distance to the square root of Let's get some of this. Of where is it? Item. What was it? Oh yeah. Enemy check hash of enemy X minus our X position, I think. And times same thing. All of that plus enemy Y, enemy Y. All of this will be put just trying to make it be closer. That's everything. Yes. Okay. I think that's it for the distance to enemy. Oh no, not this. I forgot. It's the enemy X and enemy Y with enemy Y. So sorry, I forgot. Now in the repeat loop, we'll grab that distance to enemy and we'll put item enemy check of enemy X here and item enemy check of enemy Y here. Right? Okay. Now, if the enemy distance this is less than the view radius, yeah, and more than item enemy check of enemy progress is more than wait. More than furthest enemy this, then we'll set the furthest enemy distance to item enemy check hash of enemy progress with item check in progress. Yeah. And set the target enemy hash to the enemy checker ID. And after the repeat loop, we'll put a if not. Let me move this way. If not target enemy hash equals to equals none. That's let me just copy this. Okay, equals none. Then we'll set the can shoot to yes. And then if another, it's a if else. Item target enemy hash. Item target enemy hash. Item target enemy hash. Or enemy X. Wait. Oh, item target hash of enemy X more than the X position then we'll point in direction 90 plus 90 minus the A10, where is A10? A10 of item target enemy hash of enemy X minus X position divided by item target enemy hash of enemy Y minus Y position. Yes, all of this. Inside of D. And in the else, we'll point in direction negative 90 minus A10 of item target enemy hash of enemy X minus X position divided by item target enemy hash of enemy Y minus the Y position. So now the turret should point in direction Actually, we'll set the rotation style to when I start this clone to all around, so it doesn't break. Now let's test it out. Yes! Yes, it was working! It's working! Look, they're looking at the enemies. They're like, what are you doing? But now, what I wanted to do was to let the eyes look at the enemy and the body not to look at the enemy. Right? The turret type and view radius doesn't go here. It goes up here before we create the clone. And we'll create another clone. And we'll set the turret type to mini gun body. And we'll also set the view radius to 100. Well, we don't really need that. We'll switch costume to turret type, minigun body. Now let's see if that. Yes. Now, if not, the costume name contains body, then we'll set the rotation style to all around again. So the minigun, where is it? Where is the minigun? Why is it doing that? No, that's also on. Oh no. Oh no. Mini gun with a capital B. But I'm still confused on why the minigun is doing that. It's not really doing what it's supposed to do. Now it's not even creating the clones. Oh, that's why. After we create the clone, we'll set the turret type to nothing again. And now the creating the clone works. But I'm still very confused on what's happening with the minigun. Do I need to do that? No, now that doesn't work at all. Why is it not working? I'm so confused. With the body, it was working. Or maybe it needs to be snapped in the middle. No, it's still doing the... What if the body also rotates? Oh, it also does that. But why does it do that? Is it because of this? Did I mess that up? No, I did all of that correctly. What's wrong? Here's the X position. Is it because it's two clones at once? Or if we try making the minigun only? See, it still does that. Or did I get the... No, it was already correct. It's the X position before the Y position. Or is it supposed to be plus, not minus? No, it's minus. It's minus. Where is it? Yeah, times. All the enemy distance and stuff is working. Although for some reason the pointing direction is not really doing what it's supposed to do. Did I forget something? It's okay. We'll fix that in the future. See, even the body now doesn't work. But before, the body still worked. How doesn't it work now? It is pointing towards the enemy, but it's not really. Yeah, that's not really what it's supposed to do. Oh, it's the enemy. No, it's not. No, it's going the right direction. Didn't get those two mixed up. Or was I supposed to do it before it moved? No. It's either a problem because of it's either that the pointing direction script is not working or the enemy is going backwards. What if I do -1? Let me show the enemy real quick. And go to this X position. What if I do that? Would it still not work, or will it now work? Where is it? See, it goes up like that. Where's my turret supposed to be? Like that. Maybe before the turret. Maybe I was supposed to do this. I mean, look a lot more worse. It's pointing the right direction, but it's moving upwards instead of downwards where the enemy is going. But why is it doing that? It's not because of anything. It's not because of the minigun or something. Just for some reason now it's not working. See, it's going up. And I don't know why. What if I set the U radius to 140? I'll just mess around with these values. But for now, it's already been super long, so for now, goodbye. Hope you enjoyed the video.